Malum Seifua. O mali limtoa. Mauma wai au te no tau. Amuia e whanu noa. Awa e whamaa whanwhanaina i lato. Numuono whawhiroa i atu i lau suma te tāku. Pāpea le nofo a whawhanaina. Māro se fua. Māro le lani mama. Ona olo tōrua. Olo iai lumo le lisio da Molimau. No whapea la sauna e amatatu ma lana Molimau. O whapea mo loto whiwhia. O Taimalie Levae. O le Taimalie a la o lana aina. Mo tō whiwhia i la tō e lo whiwhia. Mai le la whanga tōka spei. Ia. O le atu e te atea. Tau whamatala le nei, mai le amatanga se iau me liasa, le la Mafutaga matuina lea, ia usi whafo.
Good evening everybody. I wasn't expecting to speak tonight, but I need to do it for my brother, for Carlo, and the kids. I went to see him in hospital, and I thought, he's been in hospital a few weeks now, and everyone was telling me it was pneumonia, and so I thought, he's going to get better. So we said a prayer, and then people were waiting to come in, so I didn't spend very long with him. But he told me, and I remember what he said to me, and he said, "Vai whaneleka ko ainga." And he started our Mafutaga, our Mamea Mafutaga, and it wasn't just our immediate family. He brought all our family's lines from the next level together. And I'm not going to say anything about how great a man he was, because everybody said it. But my relationship with him was a love-hate relationship. He would ring me all hours of the night and at work just to see what I was doing, or else I knew somebody had passed away. So he pushed me to learn my culture, my family, and embrace them. And even though we were at loggerheads a lot, I would always do what he would say. So when I left, he said to me to look after our family, and I said to him, "Awe te vai lo oe, te vai whoku ko." And on the night he passed, I missed him. And I always remember Talo said to me, "Don't ever forget the teachings, the advice he has given me." And to my brother, I will do my best to carry on. We're not going to give up on everything, and we're going to do everything that you wanted us to do. And Carlo, every time he rang me, he was on speakerphone, and Carlo's in the background. So she heard everything, and I heard him whispering to him, because she always had to fast up on him. But I love you, Carlo, and the girls. And our family just has a little song for you, and thank you to all the ministers for allowing us tonight. Thank you.
Ia nau tu whawhonga iai, I le Molimau na Taimalie Levae. Ona e leo iaia le ingoa o le Mafutaga, e pene le loto le Mafutaga. Mafutaga mātou le tume o te whai. Le la te walatu le suma e le whailatusi. Ia ma le, na koe o suma pesi. Ia le whapesi, le no whanga i suma o pesi kokele. Le la ia. Te o whaimua, ia, o Dios. Manuel Mafutaga.